Okay students, now we will discuss circle and parts of a circle. Now firstly, this is what? Circle. So this is what? Circle. Now we will discuss the parts of a circle. Now we will discuss the parts of a circle. Okay, this is a circle. Now at the centers, here in the center, you will find the center. So this is the center of the circle. So here point O is the center. Okay. So this was center. Okay. A dot with a capital letter inside the circle, that is called its center. Now we will discuss circumference. What is circumference? Now this is a circle. This part is called its circumference or the perimeter also. So this is the circumference of a circle. Okay. So if we are defining circumference, it will be the length of the boundary of a circle. The length of the boundary of a circle. So this is the length of the boundary of the circle that we call as circumference. Okay. Now number third is radius. What is radius? Suppose this is a circle. This is the center of the circle. Through this center which touches the circumference. Okay. So this is a line which touches the center of the circle as well as the circumference of the circle. Or we can say the distance between the center at any point on the circumference. So suppose this is the radius. From here, if you are moving here, this is also the radius. From here, if you are joining this is also the radius. This is also the radius. This is also the radius, like this. Okay. Now number 4 is diameter. What is diameter? Suppose this is a circle. Okay, this is point O. Diameter, the distance from a point of the circumference to the another point. From here to here. This is the diameter of the circle. Okay. So the distance from a point of circle from this point to this point. This is the diameter, or here to here. This is also the diameter. So diameter means the distance from a point of the from one circumference to the another is called the diameter, and diameter is twice the radius. This from center to this part, this is radius, and diameter is complete part. So we can say that diameter is twice of the radius. Whatever radius is there, diameter will be double of the radius. Okay. Now number 5 is chord. Now what is chord? Suppose this is center. So chord means distance between one point of the circumference to the another point. Suppose from this circumference to this circumference, a line is, you can see this is the circumference. This line is connecting this circumference to this part. So this is the chord. Chord and diameter. The difference between chord and diameter is that diameter will start from one circumference. It will join the point, it will connect to this point, then it will move to the other circumferences. But chord means it is not necessary that it will pass through the center. This can be chord, this can be chord. one circumference to other circumference it join, but it is not necessary that it will join this point, the center of the, it may join, but it is not necessary that chord will join the center of the point or the point of the center point. Okay, now we will discuss number 6, that is arc. Now what is an arc? Suppose this is a circle with center O. Now suppose we are having point P and point Q. If we join these points, now this portion, can you see this portion? This portion is called the arc of a circle. Okay, so this portion is called the arc of the circle. Now 7th one, interior and exterior. Interior and exterior of a circle. This is a circle. This inside part, can you see this inside part? This is the interior of the circle, and this part, this is the exterior of the circle. Okay, this part which is inside the circle, this is the interior of the circle, and the part which is outside the circle, this is the exterior part of the circle. Okay. Okay, now number 8, semicircle. Semicircle means half of the circle. Suppose this is a circle. If I will divide this circle, so can you see one part and this is another part? So if I will take the top part, so it will be like this. So this is the semicircle. If I will take the bottom part, this is also the semicircle. Semicircle means half of the circle. Okay.